Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step and guide on how to save property search in Propwire. So to save that, you have to open your browser on your PC, go to propwire.com, make sure you sign into your account using your email and password. Then from the dashboard, click search properties, then enter the location and choose filter like property type, status, price range or owner type. Then from there you have to run the search. So click search to view results that match your filter. Then at the top right of the result page, click save search button, then enter a simple name so you can easily find it later, like Austin Vent Lot or Dallas Cash Buyer. Just input the name for search. Then after that, turn on emails or in-app alert if you want Propwire to notify you when new match properties appears on the lead. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.